case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark 1985 case, Lavonia Manufacturing Company engaged in a legal battle with Emery Corp, a company who had filed for bankruptcy. The dispute revolved around a delivery of property by Lavonia to Emery, which took place before Emery had filed for bankruptcy. The central issue pertained to who held superior rights to the delivered property: Lavonia, who sought to reclaim the property, or Emery's secured creditors, who argued that they were good faith purchasers and therefore held priority. Much of the case hinged on how the law interprets a good faith purchaser. In the beginning, the court viewed this through the lens of the Bankruptcy Court's initial decision ruling in favor of Lavonia. However, Emery's creditors disagreed with this ruling, asserting they had a superior claim as good faith purchasers. Following these claims, Emery Corporation decided to appeal the decision in order to protect the interests of its secured creditors. Upon review, the appeals court overturned the Bankruptcy Court's decision. Detailed examination of the Uniform Commercial Code's UCC provisions proved pivotal to the case. The court thereby acknowledged that Emery's secured creditors, as perfecting the security interest in Emery's after-acquired property, surpassed Lavonia's claims. The court further stated that Lavonia had missed out on opportunities to protect their interest by abiding by UCC's purchase money provisions. Consequently, the court reversed the initial decision, issuing an appropriate order to safeguard the secured creditors' rights. Lavonia's failure to secure their interest not only went against the UCC's coda, but also rendered it powerless to contest the loss of its interest.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.